Hello, my students of class 7. Hope you all are studying at home. In our today's history class, my students, we will start chapter 5 and our topic is the Khilji dynasty. Page number 43. The Mamluk dynasty came to an end in the year 1290. The Delhi Sultanate then passed into the hands of the Khilji dynasty. Jalaluddin Khilji was the founder of the Khilji dynasty. He was a mild and pious person. He not only forgave the rebellious nobles but also treated them well. Taking advantage of his generosity, Jalaluddin's ambitious nephew Alauddin murdered him. He won over the nobles by bribing them with rich gifts. Jalaluddin's sons and grandsons were either blinded or killed, and all obstacles to the throne were removed. Alauddin declared himself the Sultan and ascended the throne of Delhi. He dreamt of conquering the whole world. He was the first Turkish Sultan to build an empire in India. Alauddin sent an expedition to Gujarat, which was conquered and annexed. Malik Kafur, a slave, was bought for 1,000 dinars. He eventually rose to the position of a general in Alauddin's army. Then the Rajputs fought bravely but lost the battle. The women performed johar and burnt themselves to death. By 1305 CE, Alauddin became the master of the whole North India. The conquest of Malwa had further opened the door to the south. Alauddin was the first Turkish ruler to send an expedition to the Deccan. The Deccan expeditions were led by Malik Kafur. The successful Deccan campaign brought him enormous wealth and enhanced his power and prestige. Alauddin did not annex the Deccan after conquering it. His main objective was to acquire as much wealth as possible from the south to pay for the maintenance of his huge army and for the administration of his territories. The rulers of the Deccan were forced to acknowledge the supremacy of the Sultan and pay a heavy annual tribute as a mark of submission to his suzerainty. That's all for today's class, my students. In our next class, I will tell you some more interesting facts about Alauddin Khilji. Thank you.